There is something called as a universal communication. You automatically get tuned into that, which means there is a universal frequency, okay, that connects all life forms. Okay? Now what happens is when we are within us, allowing that frequency to remain in our body because we are physically alive, yeah, it tunes in to this infinite experience. You suddenly find yourself tuned into something within you, and surprisingly so, it's your own soul that begins to talk. Just imagine the greatness of it. Not only does it actually sway you from all the difficulties and start sailing you through, it also tells you in your body when things can go wrong. That's how beautiful it is.